Welcome back to Regional Food Japan. This is episode 3 of my Yakitori school, and today I'd like to introduce you to a super juicy, tender and smoky grilled chicken from my hometown Asahikawa, Hokkaido. It's called Shinkoyaki. Unlike ordinary yakitori where meat is cut into small pieces and skewered, Shinkoyaki is made from half a young chicken, slowly grilled till the skin turns crispy and the meat stays juicy and tender. And it's finished with a rich glaze of sweet and savory Yakitori Tare sauce. This I'd say is a perfect example of simple is best, and if you're looking to add a Japanese twist to your barbecue weekend or party with friends, this is a dish for you. Along with Shinkoyaki, I'm also gonna show you how to prepare char-grilled pork shoulder steak called Chapuyaki, which is a specialty from my hometown as well. Alright, let's get right into it.
To make Shinkoyaki, you need half a young chicken. You can get a whole chicken and have it on your own. Otherwise, ask a butcher to do it for you. Before grilling, score the thick part of the drumstick and stretch out the wing leg so. It's quite a big chunk of meat, so this helps it cook all the way through on the barbecue grill. Now it's time to get the sizzle going. The point here is your chicken should be about 15 to 20 centimeters away from charcoal for slow grilling, otherwise the meat will burn on the outside while it's still raw inside. Alright, let's throw the chicken on the barbie. When grilling Shinkoyaki, be sure to flip it over every few minutes to cook evenly and avoid burning. Honestly, that is the hardest part of the recipe. My half chicken weighs about a pound, so it's gonna take about 20 to 30 minutes to grill. It's been about 10 minutes or so. At this point, make a deep cut in the breast and flip it open so you can cook the inside of the breast as well. From now on, just keep flipping it till it's cooked all the way through. Can you see how the skin has turned crispy? This is what I want. Alright, let's go back to the kitchen and finish that off. Now I'm gonna dip that into tare. By the way, be sure to check out my video for perfect Yakitori Tare if you haven't already. I'll put the link below in the description box. Finally, spoon it over with some of the beautiful tare. Be generous with that, alright? Now this, my friend, is perfectly juicy, tender and smoky Shinkoyaki from Asahikawa, Hokkaido. But this is not the end of the video. Let me show you how to make Chapuyaki from now. You'll need pork shoulder steak with a thickness of about 1 centimeter. I'm gonna trim this part because it's quite tough and stringy. Now let's put that on the grill. Basically it's the same as Shinkoyaki, we just need to keep flipping till it's done. It's gonna take about 5 to 10 minutes depending on the heat. Now while grilling, I have to tell you why it's called Chapuyaki. Chap refers to the English word pork chop, and yaki means grill, so it literally means grilled pork chop. While pork chops use the loin, Chapuyaki uses the shoulder. Okay, looks like it's done, so let's sauce it up. Just like we did for Shinkoyaki, dunk the meat into the sauce. Now when serving Chapuyaki, we cut it into bite-sized pieces since we eat it with chopsticks or toothpicks. Let's drizzle it with extra tare sauce and finish it up with a sprinkle of ground pepper. And that was how to prepare Chapuyaki, a porky hidden gem from Asahikawa. Make sure to try both Shinkoyaki and Chapuyaki, you'll definitely have a happy day.
Right, that's it for today. If you liked the video, give it a rating and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Thanks so much for watching and see you next time.